So do the Filipinos, the people in the Philippines, know this? That America is
Ah,
not going to help them?
that's a very good question because this is not known by many Filipinos. I know that the MDT, it does not cover some of the disputed areas of the South China Sea. It does not. Even if there's a document by Henry Kissinger that actually said, like, it's like in the archives that even before, since the beginning, that the MDT is not actually, it does not cover the disputed South China Sea from the very start. But the problem is the Filipino public is blind to it. And
Right.
this MDT is being used by media, by mainstream media, even by pro-American Filipinos or pro-American agents in the Philippines, saying that, and also, of course, the American and the United States saying that we have an ironclad relationship because of the MDT, and we will help, and we will be but we will back up, and we will support the Philippines when you talk about the South China Sea dispute against China. So it's always being propagated. This is the kind of narrative being spread in mainstream media. So many Filipinos is blind to the fact that actually the MDT, it does not include the disputed South China Sea or parts of it. So many Filipinos believe, and in a way, if there are skirmishes in the South China Sea, and it happens a lot between the Philippines and China now, they think that just because we have the MDT, that Americans will can actually fight for us if in any case something happened in the South China Sea. But they are not really informed that actually in the treaty itself, in wordings of the treaty, there's no such thing that it covers the South China Sea.
Right.
That is something that the Filipinos are blind about.